Hi traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Try. Intraday trading, Bank Nifty, today's review and tomorrow's prediction. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. Learn the setting up of intraday trades to trade with no fear and no greed. Keep your trading as simple as possible. You will see today's analysis of the Bank Nifty chart. This is today's 5 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. Today's review is 9th August 21. What are all the key price points CPR has identified? You will see R1 is and previous day high. Both together forms the strong resistance for today's Bank Nifty. This one R1 and previous day high both together will form a strong resistance. See, candles take a journey from here to go upside. It was broke the R1 and previous day high also, but higher prices has been rejected. Then it has turned to downward movement. That is the power of CPR. See how beautifully it has given these these levels. Then CPR itself is the one indicator. See, below this about 3 candles came and again immediately it has resumed back to back. So this is the power of CPR. Today's CPR opening trick, candles are opened within and closed to CPR. When candles are opened within the CPR, I am always telling CPR is home for candles. CPR always attracts the candles. See how CPR attracted the candle towards the CPR. When candles are away from the CPR, it will come back to close to CPR. Throughout the day, the entire day, candles are traded within the CPR or close to the CPR. That means today is a sideways market. MACD also, it is throughout the day it is flat only. From here to here it is flat. RSI also indicating it is a flat day only. For non-directional, no trade because of two reasons. One is today it is a today's CPR is an inside CPR. It says it is a trending day. When trending day, non-directional, no trade. And the second reason is today is the second day of the weekly expiry, no premium decay. Directional view, small opportunity after breakout from here we can take, but short position, but wait long time to get the results. So keep your trading as simple as possible. To learn all these things, we are conducting a 2 days workshop on Saturday and Sunday to learn technical analysis and also price action and options basics to options advanced, also CPR indicator to learn and earn. My contact number is 9686685157. So tomorrow's prediction is this is the Bank Nifty prediction dated 10th August 21. 35,900 is at the pivot level. Previous day, today's resistance and previous day high is 36,200 and 36,100. Market will face the resistance, first resistance at 36,200, then it is facing resistance at 36,500 on the upside. On the downside, we take support at 35,700, 35,600 and finally 35,400. Market may take the support. The tomorrow's CPR is a higher value overlapping CPR. That means higher value overlapping CPR. This is higher value. That means it is higher than the previous day CPR and it is overlapping. That TC is overlapping the previous day's TC. So it is a overlapping higher value CPR. It indicates it is tomorrow is moderately bullish day. CPR opening trick depends on the opening of the candles. Since it is a moderately bullish, non-directional trades, yes, you can take. Direction also, yes, depends on the opening candle. Make a proper trade setup, then trade with no fear and no greed, and keep your trading as simple as possible. Thank you.